Hello to everyone. In this video I want to tell you how you can avoid termination your KDP account. There are a lot talking in internet about ChatGPT and how you can use it to create your own book. But the vital thing you need to remember is your content should be unique. I have already mentioned this a few times in my previous video, but there are too many comments about copy-paste ChatGPT sentences and put it directly to the Amazon KDP. But please don't do it. I don't want to be a man who advise such kind of things. Of course you can use ChatGPT, but it should be your assistant. Don't even think about replace your work. As you probably heard, there are too many tools that detect AI generated content. We need to understand that Amazon is business and the main idea is to give the best quality for their customers. So we need to think ahead and create high quality and unique content. I bet you heard about thousands of terminated accounts in 2022, and the main issue was thousands of low quality content. And now I assume that such things could happen in future. Here's I asked ChatGPT to write me a short children's storybook about friendship. Now we have the story, and in most cases, as I saw in internet, many YouTubers said that you can just copy-paste it directly to your book. But let's check it on AI detector tool. Now let's copy-paste this text and put it to the AI detector. For example, let it be a few. Detect text. Here's AI GPT 54%. Interesting. The next one. Analyze. 84%. The next one. Check. Verifying. I'm a human. Yeah, I'm a human. AI content detected. In general. Okay. The last one. Check. 100% AI text. So as you see, there is a real problem, and when Amazon will implement AI detector to their website, I think we will see a dozen, thousands of termination. So to avoid this, please use ChatGPT for inspiration, rewrite the text, or I can show you one tool you can use, especially if English is not your first language and you have some problem with it. So this is a Quillboard. This website will help you to rewrite your AI generated text and make it more human. So let's copy paste our text. As you can see, there is 125 words that you can use for free, but if you can get a premium version, there is unlimited number of words you can use. So let's delete thumb text. A little more. What's this one? Yeah. Paraphrase. Before we'll continue, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell if you like such kind of videos and want to see more. And of course, give me a thumb button, it inspires me so much. Let's go further. And there's text that Quillboard made for us. There is some things you can change. For example, if you think that the phrase are not okay, you can change it. For example, two unlikely friends, rabbit named Hoppy and Hemp, turtle named Timmy. For example, you can change Timmy to Kenny, Gary, or whatever you want. Lived in mystical, in magical, beautiful, or wonderful. Okay, you can change it. The same with other sentences. Best close friends, not best friends, but close friends. For example, and so on. I hope you caught the idea about this. And now let's copy paste and check this text. This one, common V, detect text, wait. 0% AI GPT. The next one. Delete, common V, analyze. 84 was 99 human generated content. The next one. Delete. Come on. Delete. No? Okay, let's reload it. The page. Here it is, Command V, check. Come on. Very fine. Yes, I'm human. This is human text. Okay. And the last one. Delete. Command V. Check. So as you saw, different tools gives you different result. But the main idea is that now your text is hardly detected as AI generated text. I want to say almost impossible. And of course, if English is your native language or you know it very well, I suggest you to add your own sentences to your text. Obviously, the more you write your text, the more unique it will be. And don't forget, you can also create a title and description for your book in ChatGPT. So let's go. And here is 5 different titles. Hoppy and Timmy, an unlikely friendship. Friendship knows no bounds. The tale of Hoppy and Timmy. But don't forget, the same you should do with title and description. You need to rephrase it. And here is description for your book that you can use but rephrase it, and after it you can use it for your Amazon KDP book. Don't forget, if you have any questions, please leave them below this video and I will answer them as soon as possible. So in conclusion, ChatGPT as assistant, as inspiration. The next your step is rephrase everything that ChatGPT gave you. And the last one, do not spam, do not create dozens of similar children's books. Always remember about quality, about your customers, and about Amazon KDP that can detect your books and think that there is some problems with quality. In this case, it will be better to spend more time to create more unique books. Your next step is cover creation. If you don't know how to do it, I recommend watching this video. This is my second video I made on this channel, so the quality of video may be not so good, but the main idea is to create a right cover for your book. And if you prepared everything, I recommend watching this video. There is an uploading process to the Amazon KDP. There I will tell you everything you need to know step by step, how to do it right to upload it directly to the Amazon KDP. This is it. Wish you good luck and hope I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.